First ever plane spotting video. Sorry for the poor quality using an iPhone 5S. So we have a Delta Airlines CRJ 700 and local company plane. The turboprop. I don't know the pronunciation. It's waiting its turn before letting the Delta Airlines go by first, and you know, let the business people go first. And they're coming down here to runway 24. It's gonna be an hour and 11-minute flight for these people to Detroit Wayne Metro Airport from Elmira Corning Regional Airport. So yeah, I'll be quiet and let you enjoy. Can't really see. This phone's it sucks. Let me see. Yeah. There's no freaking zoom on it.